How many times have you opened your refrigerator only to find loose egg cartons taking up valuable shelf space? Or worse, discovered a cracked egg because the carton shifted when you closed the door? It's one of those everyday annoyances that most of us just live with, but there may be a much better solution. Today we're taking a closer look at the Mshomely Egg Holder for refrigerator, a stackable 2-layer egg storage container designed for busy families, meal preppers, home cooks, and anyone who wants a cleaner, more organized refrigerator. It promises to protect your eggs, maximize fridge space, and even help you keep track of freshness with a built-in date reminder. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. Right out of the box, the first thing you'll notice is the clean, transparent design. Unlike bulky plastic organizers that hide what's inside, this container lets you instantly see how many eggs you have left without opening the lid. That may sound like a small feature, but it's surprisingly useful when you're grocery shopping or planning meals for the week. The clear BPA-free PET plastic also gives it a modern look that blends nicely with most refrigerator interiors. The overall construction feels sturdy enough for everyday use. Each egg sits securely inside a deeper molded groove, helping reduce movement whenever you slide the drawer open or close the refrigerator door. Instead of stacking delicate cartons on top of each other, every egg has its own dedicated space, which provides noticeably better protection during normal daily use. One of the most interesting features is the built-in freshness timeline. The adjustable date dial lets you mark the day you placed your eggs into the container, making it much easier to keep track of freshness without writing directly on cartons or trying to remember when you bought them. If you regularly buy eggs in bulk or rotate older groceries first, this simple feature can actually help reduce food waste. The double-layer drawer system is another practical upgrade over traditional cartons. The smooth pull-out trays make accessing eggs quick and convenient, while the integrated handle allows the organizer to slide in and out of the refrigerator with very little effort. Since the unit is stackable, it also helps maximize vertical storage space instead of spreading cartons across multiple shelves. In everyday use, the organizer fits naturally into a busy kitchen routine. Whether you're making breakfast every morning, baking on weekends, or preparing meals for a large family, having up to 60 eggs neatly stored in one organized container saves both time and frustration. You always know how many eggs remain, and grabbing 1 or 2 eggs becomes much easier than dealing with flimsy cardboard cartons. Cleaning and maintenance are fairly straightforward as well. The smooth plastic surfaces wipe clean with a damp cloth if needed. It's worth mentioning that this organizer isn't dishwasher safe, so hand cleaning is recommended to help preserve the material over time. Fortunately, because it's storing eggs rather than cooked food, it typically requires very little maintenance. Of course, no product is perfect. Before purchasing, you'll want to measure your refrigerator shelf dimensions since the organizer is larger than a standard egg carton. It fits most full-size refrigerators comfortably, but may be too large for compact mini fridges. Also, while the clear plastic feels durable, it's still best treated with reasonable care rather than dropped or handled roughly. Compared with other refrigerator egg organizers in the same price range, the Mshomely model stands out thanks to its generous 60-egg capacity, convenient pull-out drawers, stackable design, and built-in freshness tracker. Many competing organizers simply store eggs, while this one also helps organize your refrigerator and makes inventory management much easier. Overall, the Mshomely Egg Holder is an excellent choice for families, meal preppers, home bakers, or anyone looking to organize their refrigerator more efficiently. It's practical, easy to use, protects fragile eggs, and adds a level of convenience that quickly becomes part of your daily routine. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest kitchen organization and home product reviews every week. And if you're thinking about upgrading your refrigerator storage, check the link in the description for the latest price and availability before any current discounts end. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.